Hey folks, today we're diving into a topic that might make you blush a bit, but is absolutely essential for your health and well-being. We're talking about foods that can help boost blood flow to your manhood, promoting stronger and healthier erections. Yes, you heard that right. Just like any other part of your body, your little buddy needs proper nutrition. So let's take a leisurely stroll down the grocery aisle and discover the best foods to keep your blood flowing where it matters most. First on our list is dark chocolate. Yes, you can indulge your sweet tooth and do your little buddy a favor. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, particularly flavonol, which can improve blood vessel function. These compounds help your blood vessels relax and improve circulation, making it easier for blood to flow to all the right places. So, go ahead, have a square or two of that high cocoa dark chocolate and keep things flowing smoothly down there. A treat for you and your circulation. Next up, we have pomegranates. These luscious seeds are packed with antioxidants called polyphenols. They have been shown to improve nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels and boost circulation. Enjoy some pomegranate juice or sprinkle those juicy seeds on your salad to keep your blood pumping in all the right places. Plus, pomegranates are delicious and can add a burst of flavor to your meals. Oranges are our next stop, and they're not just for fighting off colds. These citrus fruits are loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens blood vessels and improves blood flow. Better circulation means better blood flow everywhere, including where it counts. So grab an orange or pour yourself a glass of OJ to keep things lively. Vitamin C is also great for your overall immune system, so it's a win-win situation. Who knew that munching on grapes could be good for your love life? Especially red and purple grapes, which contain resveratrol. This compound helps relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation. So, next time you're at the grocery store, pick up some grapes for a snack that's good for your heart and your little buddy. They're easy to snack on and can be a sweet, healthy addition to your diet. Here's a refreshing one: watermelon. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood vessel function and blood flow. Citrulline is converted into arginine in your body, which then boosts nitric oxide production, helping your blood vessels relax and improve circulation. So, slice up some watermelon for a tasty way to support your erection health. It's like a summer treat that keeps on giving. Popeye was onto something with his spinach obsession. This leafy green is rich in folate, a B vitamin that helps produce nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels. More relaxed blood vessels mean better blood flow. So add some spinach to your diet and keep things pumping smoothly. Spinach is versatile and can be added to salads, smoothies, or sautéed as a side dish. Kale, the king of greens, is up next. It's packed with vitamins A and C, which promote healthy blood vessels. Kale also has a good dose of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Steady blood pressure means steady blood flow, and that's key to keeping your little buddy strong. Kale can be enjoyed in salads, smoothies, or as crispy kale chips. Crack open some walnuts for a boost of arginine, an amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide widens blood vessels, improving blood flow. Walnuts are also rich in healthy fats that support heart health. So snack on some walnuts and give your circulation a boost. They're a great addition to salads, oatmeal, or just on their own as a snack. Pumpkin seeds are tiny but mighty. They're rich in zinc, a mineral crucial for testosterone production. Testosterone is essential for keeping your little buddy in top form. So munch on some pumpkin seeds to keep your hormones and blood flow in harmony. They're perfect for sprinkling on salads, adding to smoothies, or just enjoying as a snack. Time to dive into some salmon. This delicious fish is full of omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health and reducing inflammation in blood vessels. Reduced inflammation means better blood flow. So add some salmon to your dinner plate for a healthy heart and a healthy little buddy. Try grilling, baking, or pan-searing for a tasty and nutritious meal. Oysters, the famous aphrodisiac, are loaded with zinc. This mineral is vital for testosterone production, which is linked to libido and sexual function. So, shuck some oysters and give your little buddy a boost. They're also a great source of protein and can be enjoyed raw, grilled, or baked. Spice up your meals and your circulation with cayenne pepper. This fiery spice contains capsaicin, which improves blood flow by dilating blood vessels. A dash of cayenne can add zing to your food and keep things flowing where it counts. It's great in soups, stews, or sprinkled on your favorite dishes for an extra kick. Ginger adds warmth and has fantastic anti-inflammatory properties. It can improve blood circulation by reducing oxidative stress and relaxing blood vessels. Use it in cooking or enjoy it as tea and give your blood flow a flavorful boost. Ginger can also help with digestion and nausea, making it a versatile addition to your diet. Don't let garlic breath scare you away. Your blood vessels will thank you. Garlic contains allicin, which has significant cardiovascular benefits. It helps relax blood vessels, reduce blood pressure, and improve blood flow. So toss some garlic into your meals and keep your heart and little buddy happy. Garlic is a staple in many dishes and can add a lot of flavor to your cooking. Start your day with oats, which are a fantastic source of fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, and stable blood sugar levels mean better blood vessel function. The soluble fiber in oats also contributes to heart health, making them a perfect breakfast choice for overall well-being. Enjoy them as oatmeal, in smoothies, or as part of baked goods. Quinoa is a protein-rich whole grain that's also a good source of magnesium. Magnesium plays a crucial role in relaxing blood vessels and improving blood flow. Swap out your regular grains for quinoa and give your circulation a healthy boost. It's It's a versatile grain that can be used in salads, as a side dish, or even in soups. Crack open an egg for high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Eggs are a source of L-arginine, an amino acid that supports nitric oxide production. They also provide B vitamins, which are important for cardiovascular health. Including eggs in your diet can contribute to strong circulation and potentially improved sexual function. Enjoy them scrambled, boiled, poached, or as part of an omelet. Indulge in creamy Greek yogurt for a dose of calcium and protein. Calcium is essential for maintaining healthy blood vessel function and muscle contractions. Greek yogurt also contains probiotics that support gut health, which is closely linked to overall well-being, including potential benefits for blood flow and sexual health. Add some fruit, nuts, or honey for a delicious and nutritious snack. Avocados are a fantastic source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are great for heart health. They also contain vitamin E, which is important for protecting cells from oxidative damage. Healthy fats and antioxidants can improve blood vessel function and circulation. Enjoy avocados in salads, on toast, or as guacamole. Berries, especially blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are rich in antioxidants and fiber. These fruits can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. Antioxidants protect your blood vessels from damage and keep them flexible, promoting better circulation. Add berries to your breakfast, smoothies, or desserts for a sweet and healthy boost. Tomatoes are high in lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to improve blood vessel function and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Lycopene helps keep your blood vessels open and flexible, ensuring good blood flow. Enjoy tomatoes in salads, sauces, or as a refreshing snack. Beets are rich in nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Incorporate beets into your diet by roasting them, adding them to salads, or blending them into smoothies. In addition to walnuts, other nuts like almonds, cashews, and pistachios are also beneficial. They are high in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, which support heart health and improve blood vessel function. Snack on a handful of mixed nuts to boost your circulation and overall health. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple of the heart-healthy Mediterranean diet. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, which help reduce inflammation and improve blood vessel function. Use olive oil as a base for salad dressings, for cooking, or drizzling over dishes to enhance flavor and health benefits. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants, particularly catechins, which improve blood vessel health and promote better blood flow. Drinking green tea regularly can support heart health and improve circulation. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or afternoon for a refreshing and health-boosting beverage. Bananas are an excellent source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper blood flow. High potassium levels can help keep your blood vessels relaxed and improve circulation. Add bananas to your breakfast, smoothies, or enjoy them as a convenient snack. In moderation, red wine can be beneficial for your heart and blood flow due to its high content of antioxidants like resveratrol. A glass of red wine with dinner can help relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Remember to enjoy it in moderation to reap the benefits without any negative effects. Broccoli is packed with vitamin C and K, fiber, and other nutrients that support heart health and improve blood vessel function. Incorporating broccoli into your diet can help reduce inflammation and improve circulation. Enjoy it steamed, roasted, or in salads for a nutritious addition to your meals. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it might also keep your blood flowing smoothly. Apples are rich in fiber, particularly soluble fiber called pectin, which helps lower cholesterol levels and improve blood flow. Enjoy apples as a snack in salads or as part of your breakfast. In addition to spinach and kale, other dark leafy greens like Swiss chard and arugula are also excellent for improving blood flow. They are rich in nitrates, which help produce nitric oxide and relax blood vessels. Add a variety of dark leafy greens to your diet to support heart health and circulation. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive grocery list that not only keeps your heart healthy, but also helps keep your little buddy in top form. If you found this information helpful, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on other videos. Keep eating right and keep things flowing.